How to add new slides in your presentation. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Google Slides or your Microsoft presentation, Microsoft Sheets, then sign in. Then here I will create a blank presentation for reference. Now, as you can see, I only have one slide here. Now, in order to add a new slide, the process is very simple. All you have to do is go to Insert, scroll down, and then New Slide. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl plus M and another new slide will appear. You can edit your slides the way you want and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.